G'day guys, welcome back to DMAC Customs. In this video I want to talk to you about
Frankenbootlid.
Some said it couldn't be done.
Some said it shouldn't be done.
I wasn't really paying attention, so I did it anyway. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so once I'd mapped out where I wanted to cut the lid, I was trying to do it in such a way that I didn't have to cut heaps on the inside frame, but it turns out I did. But before I did anything, I actually welded a couple of braces across to keep the frame all square once I cut the whole guts of it out. Then I hooked into it. As you can see by the scarring and the stitches, I sort of cut it all through here, right through here, right through here, and lifted that whole main section out. And then cut a bunch of relief cuts to get it all to drop back into place, and then sort of tacked it all together, flipped it over, and started working out how to reconstruct the frame so it would come back together. And in the end we ended up doing quite a bit of work in here, right through here. Had to cut out these whole sections. Not there, that's just where I accidentally cut through there. Work in here, had to cut new pieces and make new pieces for in here because I needed to kind of tip it in a bit as well. I actually ran out of power file belts when I was finishing this up, so I haven't actually finished under here yet, but I'll get back one day soon, hopefully. Still a bit of finishing to do around the corners up here. Obviously there's finishing, but just want to sort of try and get these gaps a bit sort of tighter and metal before we kind of start putting any filler or whatever in the car and prepping it for that stage. It's a bit the same on both sides. Done this twice now, and the old Viper got away on me a couple of times because she's pretty aggressive when she wants to be, and especially when you give her some new teeth, she goes hard. But we'll talk about the Viper in a minute. Still got to trim through here, so I'll sort of trim them back, weld it up, and then trim it up again, tighten up some of the other gaps and work those out. And at one stage I was thinking about putting a V-dub motor in the back of this because I already had the cowl induction boot lid set up for the air intake. You can just imagine it flowing over the roof straight into a V-dub, air cooled, get more luggage in the front that way, even a spare tyre maybe. Okay, so I just wanted to introduce you to, as mentioned earlier, the Viper and Old Yeller. Now, these are two very useful tools in what I do in the garage here, but I have to say the Viper, she can be pretty lethal. If she gets away on you, she'll chase you. You drop her on the ground, she keeps coming. She just won't stop until rips this out of the wall or you run out of extension lead. But Old Yeller's got a dead man switch, so you drop Old Yeller and she'll just stop. But the Viper here, trust me, I've been bit by the Viper, so PPE is a very important thing to have when you're playing with this old girl. So make sure if you're using the Viper, you've got your PPE, your composite, Kevlar, body armour, gauntlets, eye protection, ear protection, safety first. She screams like 1,000 demons. Neighbours love her. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, making it all the way through to the end. It's quite a it was good. It wasn't probably not a very long one, this one, but as you probably figured, I'm just, well, what I'm trying to do is get some kind of catch-up videos to where the 51's at the moment, so I can kind of get that up to a place for the channel where, as I'm starting to do, carry on with work as it stands now, I can do more up-to-date stuff and sort of show you how I'm doing it as I'm doing it, not trying to yabber on about how I did it a year ago actually, and trying to remember the stages that I sort of went through to do it. But yeah, if you like the videos and you want to see more on this and want to see some stuff on the local car scene, hot rod scene here in Tauranga in New Zealand, some little projects I've still got to do on the 46 pickup, make sure you hit the subscribe button, wherever that is, and then hit the little bell for notifications if you want to get a notification on when the videos drop. And any comments or questions, just down below. Be nice to your neighbours. Take it easy. Cheers.